Sheet masks have to be the best introduction from the Korean beauty world to us. Sheet masks lock the serum really well into the skin that they show the results so much faster and sometimes instantly. But let's be honest, they can be a little too pricey at times and we might not be able to afford ₹100 sheet mask every time just for one use. So since we are all very much drawn towards the entire concept of natural skincare ingredients and we feel so much better about using the natural skincare because we feel so nice about putting them onto our skin, and since they are so much gentler and we exactly know what the ingredients are and we're aware about the benefits of those products and the things that we are putting onto our skin, and since they are natural, so today I'm going to make my own sheet masks. So I'm going to be using these compressed sheet masks that are available in the market. I got myself this packet of sheet masks from Amazon. Now I'm going to be making 2 sheet masks, 2 DIY recipes, and one will be for a person who is dry to combination skin, and the other sheet mask recipe will be suitable for someone who has oily or acne prone skin. Whenever I apply these recipes, my skin feels so soft, so much brighter and very, very luminous. So you must definitely try these recipes. They're very easy to do and they just cost you almost nothing. So let's begin. For the dry to combination skin, first add 3 tablespoons of milk to a small mixing bowl. Add 3 drops of facial oil and add 1 tablespoon of honey. Milk makes a great mask to soften skin and helps in deep cleansing the pores. Honey will nourish the skin and the facial oil gives extra dose of hydration to the skin and makes the skin radiant. Now for the oily to acne prone skin, add 3 tablespoons of green tea in a mixing bowl and add 3 drops of facial oil along with 1 tablespoon of lime juice. Green tea is an amazing antioxidant and is really good for oily skin. It shrinks the pores and reduces the sebum production. Lemon is a skin brightener and facial oil keeps the skin moisturized and soft. Now just take your cotton sheet mask and drench it in the solution. Within 10 seconds, it will expand automatically. Make sure it's evenly soaked. Now open it really gently and carefully. Place the sheet mask on your face and leave it on for 20 minutes. This ensures that you're getting all the benefits from the skincare items. Remove the sheet mask after 20 minutes and pat in the extra serum onto your face. These sheet masks are so hydrating and you will feel instantly revived after one use.
I also like to squeeze out the leftover serum in the sheet mask and apply it all over my elbows and knees.
Let me know if you try these at home in the comments section below and make sure to subscribe to my channel. I will see you very soon. Bye.